That first we have come here to verify what is the status. And also there was a report in the media that on the weekend during the holidays some of the vendors had opened. So based on that we came in and we found that two outlets were opened without giving us the compliance. In the sense the compliance was not verified, and hence we have imposed a penalty of 10,000 each on these two vendors. We have directed them to close down again and comply. So, food business operators have to take the FDA report seriously, or else, as we have committed, we will take penal action. So, penal action has been taken in this case. The other vendors have kept their premises closed, and we can observe that corrective works are going on. We have once again appealed to the vendors here to cooperate with the FDA, and we have told them very clearly that we are only looking for hygiene and that they cannot compromise on hygiene, and they have to also be continuously committed to hygiene. The vendors have shown a positive response to us, and we hope that they stay committed and ensure that this place, which is a very famous outlet in Goa, continue to maintain hygiene. And this will be a continuous process. Our checks will continue, and we will make sure that periodically we come here and ensure that these vendors here are complying to the norms. In addition, we have also closed down a base kitchen of one bakery which is having several outlets in Mapsa and Karaswada, and there also we have asked them to close. The bakery also have committed that they will close down and give us compliance.